Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kaskulba North Eastern Hill University Bynta kasngi ka khat centric risau arhajar arpusau kalaplipat ba ya ka integrated teacher education program nak Bynta ban penkiu shaprang hi Nonghikai badan sab bat shempang nak Bynta ban penyar ya ka puliputhi hakikerdan bapher hakan ni kasngi lawan banedan lang de menteri katanat Jinghikai ka sorkar jela uba Alexander lalu hek balongru kumukongsan hagasngi pili ya ka program jong ki jat jingpuli ki bakenthop naduk ka B.A B.Ed bat B.Sc B.Ed nak Bynta kasamoy puli jong usnam arjar arpusau arpusan nak liang ukongsan uba el hek ulayaro ekani jing sedang ka berap kershan da ka Ministry of Education uba hek ulabatai pensyairu ahlor ka jing temu jong ni ka program kalong omtang ban penmi yakino hikai ki babyang bat shempang hendrei ban longru kum kinong shong shnong ki badan ka jingket kle yakani ka program ka bahadu sausni ka ai ka jing terwa nak Bynta ki artadi ki kerdan pule ne dual major bachelor's degree dak ba penya solang ber ka subject education haringkat ka specialize ki weipat kum ka language social science bat ka mathematics kani ka program ka bot thek kat kum ki kendon jong ka national education policy arja arpho dak ba penet jingmut hak bede bat ka rukom ban pensuk ka jingla ban tho bat puli buntli ki jat ketien bat ka jing penan kam ya ka ketien shnong la ongru bah kani ka program ki khana ki yo ya ka lat ban jet ki subject kat kum ka jing sngo tana jongki bat ka thong jong kani ka program ru kalong ban penmi ru ya ki Nonghikai ki badan ka mensiem ban hikai ki batbet bat banang kumnu ban hikai.
Today I thank the Vice Chancellor, respected Vice Chancellor, who's a good friend of mine also, and also in his speech he has mentioned about the student can be exists also can be rejoined. I know I did not be part of that encouragement. So thanks to all the faculties and particularly to our young students, boys and girls, are coming from different part of the northeastern state to get this IDETS program or IDETS what do you call this IDET course to be studied here in Nehu. And also especially to our parents. The parents, they are coming from the different walk of life. They are really slugging and also working very hard to ensure to meet the ends of yours. They never compromise at any time of any moment to ensure that they have fulfilled the requirements of their children, of the students who are studying here today. So this 4 years course, I really appreciate the Government of India, Ministry of Education, for introducing this beautiful course, which are going to produce so many teachers in the whole country. I was told that in the whole country, 64 institutions have already granted this permissions, and also one of them is Nehu. I'm really happy to our Vice Chancellor for taking all the initiative throughout your work hard on your initiative to not be able to get this course here in this Nehu. So once again, I'd like to thank the respected Vice Chancellor. So in learning, there's no end of learning. I always mention this, learning is perpetual. Doesn't mean that you have already learned that one course today, one subject today, the learning is ends. But it's always perpetual. There's no end of learning. You have to keep learning and always learn. You have to keep learning all the time. So we are today very happy with this inaugural functions of this new course here in Nehu for the 4 years integrated teacher education program, ITEDS. All are the very fortunate students who are getting selected and admissions. And also I'm very happy to know that this selections and this examination is not only in the northeastern states, but it is from the whole country you have been selected. Congratulations for that. But I only want to tell to our students who are already selected and also already admitted for this course. If even the national policy has given some lenient time to you to be exempt and also to rejoin again, but don't take this opportunity and never in your life. 4 years we have to concentrate in your studies. 4 years. Not even a day you will be miss your studies. We want this course. The whole country with this course, I'm telling you, we are going to produce not only the good teachers for our country, but a very good citizens of our country. So the teachers are very highly respected. The teaching job is a very noble job. We wish you also tomorrow, when you will be growing up, you will finish your course from here, you will be teaching for other students. The importance in your life is the attitudes. The attitudes is very important. We want to see you, all of you are with the positive attitudes. You know, when you have the positive attitude, you don't understand where it will take you. It will take you to, you don't understand where it will take you. You will determine your attitudes. Your attitudes will determine your attitudes. Where you will reach, we don't know. But you will determine your attitudes. So therefore, I always stress this. Always remind to our students, our young students, boys and girls, and everyone, the more that we have so many things now, you're going to learn the skill here, the teaching skill here. But the important skill in your life is the attitudes. It's called the universal skill. It's a universal skill. The attitudes is very important. Why I'm saying this, the attitude is because we produce a good human being, but not only a good human being, also a big human in our life. So that's why your attitudes is very, very important. It's a very vital. So therefore, whatever maybe you are going to get your certification, you qualify, you become scholar, you become doctorate, you become anybody. But if your attitude is not acceptable, then all your qualifications, your certificate is becoming vain. So that's why I'm telling you, when you have a very good attitude, you don't know where it will be, determine your attitude. So therefore, young student, remember this, part of your, the skill you have, the part of your teaching skill you have your subject skill you have, whatever you have, your studies in your school, in this campus, whatever there. But remember this in your life, that this attitude is very important. And also, very important in our life is the self-awareness. Many of us, we are giving awareness to too many people. I'm now also giving awareness to you. But sometimes I forgot my self-awareness. Who am I? What I am doing? What for I came here to study my course here? Did I already have my self-awareness with me?
Yes, you to embrace the objective of the ITEP program, and you will delve into the central concept of your chosen disciplines, develop a deep understanding of how children learn, and cultivate your ability to create inclusive and adaptive learning environment. You will learn to communicate effectively, assess student progress, and engage in reflective practices that will shape your identity as an educator. Our program is structured to provide flexibility and opportunity. You can not only learn the subject under this system, whatever you have in mind and your own interest, you can opt some other courses. Science student can opt the arts courses, arts students have chance to opt the science courses, and even you have the interest in the music and other things. Because Meghalaya also known for some specific music, you have the chance to learn. It's only depend on you. And the choice-based credit system allows you to tailor your educational experience to your interest and aspirations. You will have the options to enter and exit program at multiple stages, ensuring that you can make the most of your educational journey while pursuing your professional goals. Due to some problem, if you are not able to continue, you have the chance to exit for 1 year or 2 years, and you have the chance to again join the university. The national education policy is a totally student-centric policy. So my dear students, take the benefit of this national education policy and learn about the courses, and also you have the chance to develop your skills in any other areas of education, Department of Education, Northeastern Hill University. All of you are well aware. And today marks not just a beginning of new academic journey for you, but also a pivotal moment in the evolution of teacher education in our region, state, as well as the country. As we embark on these exciting initiatives, let us take a moment to reflect on the broader vision that guide us at National Education Policy 2020. And the main objective of the National Education Policy not only to develop or build or shape the future of the student like a skilled man resource in the country, but also to give importance all the languages of the country, either the regional language or the national language or the international language. So all of you have the chance. Your mother language may be the Garo, may be the Khasi, may be the Asmi, may be any other language of the country. Along with the mother language, you must know the national and international language also. The ITEP program, with its dual major framework, is a significant step towards achieving this vision. By integrating specialized subject